A seaweed-based serum that's been loved by editors for over 40 years? Let's try it out. Now, looking at Repechage's C-Serum, you might think it's a vitamin C serum, but the C stands for Cytoserum. This is a powerful seaweed-based formulation that targets fine lines and wrinkles and boosts skin's hydration, and it's the very first step in the iconic Repechage 4-layer facial. So I was so excited to get this from Free Gift Friday to bring a little bit of the spa right into my own home. This Cytoserum contains a highly concentrated, nutrient-rich extract from Laminaria Digitata seaweed, which is harvested in Maine. It's a natural source of 12 vitamins, 18 amino acids, and 42 trace elements and minerals. The lightweight, oil-free serum is meant to be used morning and night on clean, dry skin. Press onto your face, neck, and décolleté, and then wait until the serum has been absorbed and follow with your regular skincare routine. Now, I love how quickly the serum absorbed into my skin, and after using it, I can say my skin feels hydrated and certainly has a glow. It's also fragrance-free, which is perfect for anybody with sensitive skin. I can't wait to hear what you think of this, so when you try it out, make sure to share your experience on social and tag @NewBeauty. And of course, thanks for being part of the BeautyPass community.